Like I promised in a previous video, in this video we are going to create our workspace. So we are going to make some changes up here and you will see in a minute. Or guys, you can just simply stay with this stock workspace that Photoshop offers you. I really like and prefer to work with my own custom-made workspace because I found it really helpful in some situations. So I can show you how to create workspace like I do have and the workspace that I'm going to use through the course. As you can see, this is the stock or default settings workspace for Photoshop. If I go up here, this is essentials. If I go and click up here at the 3D, you will see how our workspace change. Or if I go up here and pick graphic and web, or go below motion, painting, or photography. Those are ideal workspace. If you go for photography, this is ideal workspace that Photoshop offers you. Or painting, motion, and graphic and web. Depends on what you need for your workspace. So I will go with essentials. Now I will open this history and click up here where is the text and just bring it up here. I will do the same with every of those. As you can see, brush presets, color, swatches. As you can see guys, those are tabs by their own. They are just into groups, but they can work by their own. Now we are going to close those that we don't need for our course, like I'm just going to do with liberties. I will close them. Also, we don't need history. I will close history. Device preview. I will close that too. And that's it for now. So let's go up here and now bring them into groups. So I will go up here, not on the top of this, then just click up here where is the text. As you can see, when I press up here at the color and I will move it, when I see something like this, something blue around my swatches panel, I will release. As you can see, now they are in a group. Great, I can move this group around and make some changes or add them more, like I'm going to do. Now I need adjustments. I will go with adjustments too and bring up adjustments also. And the last thing for this, I will go and bring up properties inside of this. And when I see again this blue, I will release. Great, now we have one ready. Okay, now let's go and bring up brush to brush presets or otherwise. Then we need paths. Again, bring up there. And I don't need channels, so I'm going to close the channels. Great. And go up here at the layers and bring up the layers. Great. Now we have two different groups and we can make them, and now we can make those two groups into one bigger one. So now I won't click up here at the brush or this text. I will click up here at the top, this bar on the top, and I will move this below. When we see this blue line, I will release. And as you can see, they are now grouped into one big group. So we can move those layers to give them priority to be first or second, third, or the last one. And you go change that if you need. Great. Now one more thing we need is characters and the paragraph. We can go up here at the window, then find something like paragraph. As you can see, there it is, and there is character too, and just like that, bring them out, and that's it. This is the third group or the second because those two are now one group, and let's go ahead, join them this one. Great. Now we have our custom workspace ready. And the last thing for now, let's go ahead, bring up this to the right corner. As you can see, when we see this blue line, it will attach our workspace right here. Now our workspace is fixed for the right side. Great. Now we can go up here at the window, then workspace, and go type up here new workspace. And we can name it whatever we like. Or the same effect we can get if we go up here, then go new workspace. I will call this workspace practice. You name it whatever you like. Great. Now I will hit and save it. As you can see, we can change also keyboard shortcuts, menus, and the toolbars, but I don't suggest to anyone to change shortcuts in Photoshop. Great. Now we have our custom made workspace. As you can see, if I go up here at the essentials and then go reset essentials, now we have the workspace like we had at the beginning of this video. So if I go click once at the practice, we have our workspace ready. So this is how you can make your own workspace, how to save it, and how to reset it. So I hope you all understand this. It's not that complicated. It's really easy, and I like this workspace because it works amazing to me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.